How can you convert units of measurement to solve a problem? Think about this question during the lesson. A city pool is in the shape of a rectangle with the dimensions shown. What is the perimeter of the pool? What is meant by the perimeter of the pool? The perimeter is the distance around the pool. What do you know? What are you asked to find? You know the dimensions of the pool. You are asked to find the perimeter of the pool.
You can convert one of the measures so that you are adding like units.
You can use feet for perimeter. Convert 25 yards to feet so you can add like units. What is the length of the pool in feet?
Select your answer.
To change from larger units to smaller units, multiply. So, 25 yards equals 75 feet. Substitute like measurements into the perimeter formula. The perimeter of the pool is 270 feet. What would the perimeter have been if you had used yards? How does this compare to 270 feet? The perimeter would have been 90 yards. It is the same because 90 times 3 equals 270. Now you know how you can convert units of measurement to solve a problem.